Hey dancers, welcome back to our channel. I'm Julie and I'm the owner and one of the ballet instructors here at Broche Ballet, an adult ballet school in Denver, Colorado. Today I'm going to take you through how to do a waltz turn. This is a really tricky little step that involves lots of footwork, and I'm going to help try to demystify the whole thing for you as part of our beginner step series and see if you can really break it down and soar through your class with ease. So let's get started. So there's a couple of different ways you can do a waltz turn. It's pretty versatile, just like the balance is, but I'm going to show you the version that I like and a couple of other versions that you can pick from as well and what your teachers might be showing you in class. So typically we start in B+ with your waltz turn. B+ is like an attitude back that you just set down on the ground. So if I turn sideways for you to see it, you would just take your leg up into attitude back and set it down on the floor. You want to make sure the side of your big toe is touching and not your pinky toe, like this. You don't want your foot sickled back there. You want to have your big toe on the ground there in B+. So usually it starts with B+, doesn't always, but usually it will. You're going to start with your arms down, and then you're going to step onto the foot that's in the back in B+. You're going to step and then brush your front foot at the same time. It's always that front foot that brushes, remember that. So you're going to step and brush together. Make sure that's a nice big plie with turned out legs. We'll talk about the arms in just a sec, so don't worry about them just yet. We're going to work through the feet first. So step, brush, then we're going to step 2 times facing the same direction. We're going to go step and step. That's it. 3 steps so far. You're not turning yet. It's a waltz turn, but it doesn't turn until the second half. So don't worry about the turn just yet. Again from B+, step, brush, step, step. So that takes only 3 counts. So the step brush happens all at one time. Not step and then brush, brush, step, step together. Then we're going to turn as our next bit of this as the waltz turn. So there's 6 total steps. The first 3 we already did, and then we're going to do the second half in just a sec here. So we go step, brush, step, step. Then we're going to turn around and step on the foot that we didn't just step on. In this case, that's our left foot. We're going to step and brush facing the other corner. You're going to make that whole turn all in one shot. So again, from here, we're going step, brush, step, step, flip around all at once and do another step, brush. One more time so you can see that. We've got step, brush, step, 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 brush, all in one. Remember that step brush is all in one shot. Now we have to finish the rest of our turn with our last 2 steps. So we had step, brush, step, 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 brush. We're gonna step on the right foot and then the left, and we're gonna try to finish facing the corner where we were aiming to begin with. So step and step. That's it. Again, that's step, brush, step, step. We haven't turned yet, we're still facing the diagonal. Then we turn all at once to the back diagonal, step, brush, step, step. And with those last 2 steps, you're gonna turn yourself all the way back around. Let's add in some arms. There are a couple of different arms you can do. I'm going to show you the most common here, which is when you do your first step brush, you're going to bring your arms up here with your back arm up in a nice allongé, and this arm out to where you would have for first arabesque, kind of like a high first arabesque. Step, brush, step, step, and then when you turn, you're going to flip the top hand over so that it comes down and presents, and then both hands are going to flip over. So step, brush. So that top hand from here went down here. So up and down. Let's go over that bit so far. We've got step, brush, step, step, top arm flips. Then the arms come through first as you step. Let's put that whole thing together one more time. We've got step, brush, step, 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 brush, step, step. From there, you could do another waltz turn, you could do a tombe pas de bras, you could do just about anything after that waltz turn. Those are 2 really common ones that might go after a waltz turn though. Let me help you with a couple of key areas that people often mess up. We have step, brush, step, step right here. If you don't get yourself all the way flipped around to that back diagonal, you're gonna have a really hard time getting the rest of the way around here because you only have 2 steps to finish that whole rotation. The other spot where people typically get their feet tangled is after that rotation, step, brush, step, 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 brush, step. Right here, this foot, oftentimes people will step behind themselves, and then you're totally tangled, your feet are all twisted up. So after that, make sure you step in front of yourself, continuing that diagonal. Don't let that foot wander to behind yourself. So let's see that whole thing again now that you know a few common mistakes. Step, brush, step, 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 brush, step, step. Let's show the left side. So the left side, same exact thing. Of course, everything is more complicated when you have to switch sides. This time we're gonna still start on that back leg, which will be the left leg. I'm gonna show you the whole thing together now that you've already seen it all put together. We've got our step brush, step, step. Then we're gonna turn and face the back corner. Step brush, step, step. Let's go through that one more time. We'll point out the areas that you might have missed. So step brush all in one shot, step, step. Make sure you haven't started turning yet. Don't start turning until your second step brush. Then step brush, get all the way to that back diagonal, and then step, and then bring that right foot all the way in front of you. Don't let it get behind yourself. One more time on the left side. We've got step brush, step, step, step brush, step, step. You could do something after that like a tombe pas de bourrée or another waltz turn. That's it for today, dancers. I hope you learned a lot about how to do a waltz turn. Let me know in the comments below if you're still getting a little bit tangled up or if this helped you really nail it in class. Don't forget to like, subscribe, let us know what videos you want to see, all that in the comments below, and until next time.